Hey there, it's Elizabeth and welcome back to another video. So today, oh my goodness, this is going to be another bonus video. Yeah, I have a lot of videos in my queue and so I keep rearranging them and filming different ones and whatever in between. So it's been quite confusing for me, but I'm getting her done. So today, I got home from work today and got a package from my sweet friend, Nicole at Relax Cut Glue. And yeah, what a lovely surprise, right? I had a pretty good day at work today. Super duper busy as per usual. Wasn't even able to have a lunch break. Got home at about, I don't know, 1:30 and ate my lunch. And yeah, and then I have this. So yeah, as far as the Creative Daily Journal goes, still working on my Joey pockets, and yeah, need to catch up a little bit. Haven't been staying all too current in my September book, but I'm trying. I really am trying. And if you want to see how I make these books, there is a permanent link in the description box below. You can go ahead and check that out. It's a playlist of how I make my books from start to finish. Yeah, for my Creative Daily Journals. And y'all know the drill. If you like what you see, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time a new video comes out. So I am excited, Nicole. What a sweet surprise, right? I don't want to share like addresses or whatever. So let's see. Oh my goodness. Okay. I don't know what's in here. She writes, Elle, I made these for you and thought you could put them in Happy Mails or whatever you please. Hugs, Nicole. And look at that. That's little Shermie there, her little pup. Oh my goodness. I'm surprised he's like standing up and not sleeping and snoring. Yeah. Usually we hear Shermie snoring. So I'll open this in a second. Ooh. Ooh. It's like jingly. You hear that? It's like jingly. Maybe it's like Christmas bells or something. And look at this. Oh, how sweet. Okay, so she made these cute little pockets there. She does have a tutorial. I will link the tutorial along with Nicole at Relax Cut Glue, her YouTube channel. But she did do a specific video for these pockets and they are super cute. And I have to admit, I have not made them yet and I need to. They're adorable. They're adorable. And they fit so many goodies in them. Okay, so here we go. Small stamps. This is a little, what's that dude? Like Frankenstein, right? Little candies and candy corn. Got candy. So cute. Yes, I will use these in my October book. Maybe I'll make some tags or something out of the stamps. Thank you so much. That's so sweet. We don't celebrate Halloween here, but I do decorate my journals seasonally, sort of, if you will. So yes, I will definitely use this cutie patootie here. Fun. He'd look fun in, you know what I might try? Is like doing some of him in green and some in purple. I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen with this. So cute. And then, oh, look at these tickets. These are fun. Look at that. Tickets, ticket. Yep, I will definitely use those in my journaling. These would be super cute just to, you know, do journaling on and stick them on your page. Whatever. Oh, those are so cute. I am the world. Oh my gosh. I am the world's largest rodent. I am a capybara. Oh my word. Where did you find this? You know, let me tell you, okay, this, Nicole, this is a person who like watches and listens to my videos like the whole way through. You poor thing, you endure so much. The capybara is actually my most favorite animal in the world. Like, no joke. I would take a capybara over a dog, okay? Any day, like any day. And people have them as pets. I mean, I'm not, like, after our pets have gone over the Rainbow Bridge, I'm not into pets anymore, but oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Can you see that? Is that not the cutest animal ever in the world, okay? Oh my gosh, this cracks me up, Nicole. That you would remember the capybara is my most favorite animal. Oh my my gosh. That's so funny. Okay. Oh my God, I love that. Oh my gosh. So what a day. Yep, I always have that. Like, what a day. Let's talk about this, definitely. Okay, yeah, we need to talk about a lot of things, okay? Smile. I'm always willing to smile. And this makes me smile. So thank you so much, Nicole. These are journaling cards. Hello, she knows that I call my grandma every week. Oh my gosh, these are just, well, they are awesome, okay? Journaling cards, love, oh, yay, and clouds, oh my gosh. Yeah, journaling cards. How adorable, okay? Because she knows just so much about me, apparently. Enough to know that the capybara of all the animals in the entire world is my absolute favorite, okay? Oh my gosh, that means so much. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Okay, so let's get into this right here. Oh, and I can't forget my little Frankenstein there. So Elle, if you guys didn't know, Brooke from Recreations by Brooke, well, I actually gave myself a nickname. She gives everybody nicknames, right? And I call her Boo, and I was like, well, I want a nickname, And she was like, well, what have you always wanted to be called? And I said, I've always wanted to be called Elle. It was from a program we watched like a long time ago. I think it was White Collar, and I don't know, one of the characters in there, her name was Elizabeth, but they called her Elle, and I was like, oh, I love that name. So now, like, if you see me in lives or whatever, or you see comments and stuff like that, a lot of people here on YouTube call me Elle, and I love it. So, and I love this little Shermie thing. Oh my gosh, this little, like, it's like maybe it was a Post-it, I'm not sure, but how cute is that, right? He really should be snoring. Okay, so let's see. These are like jingle bells. I don't know what's in here. Oh. Okay, flared up buttons. Let's, oh, Nicole. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna cry. Do you guys see this? Okay, this is my avatar that you guys see. Oh, there, can you see it better there? That's my avatar that's on my YouTube channel, and it says Never Hopeless by Elizabeth. Oh my gosh, and they're buttons. Oh, Nicole, okay, I don't want to cry on screen. Oh, look at all of them she sent me. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. This is so unbelievably fabulous. So unbelievably fabulous. Yes, I will send them in Happy Mail. I will, of course, keep some. I would love to put one of these on my school. Like, I have like a lanyard, that has keys and stuff that I wear every day, but I do not advertise publicly my YouTube channel. And especially, yeah, I don't really want people at the school knowing I have a YouTube channel. Not because I hide anything or I say anything weird, but it's, yeah, this YouTube channel is my personal space, you know what I'm saying? And I don't want anybody to invade it. But oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Now tell me, Nicole. Now these say flared up buttons, Nicole Tim. Okay, and this is from Nicole. Here is the info. I'll put it all down below. But it says flaredupbuttons@gmail.com, and then facebook.com flareupbuttons. Now, I'm not sure, Nicole, if you make these specifically, and these are like your little business cards for making buttons. Oh my gosh, these are so adorable. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. These are so great. I love these. Oh my word. I'm just gonna be staring. Maybe I'll put one on my pillow, on the underside of my pillow, and sleep with it tonight. Because I'm a weirdo. Yes. Oh my God, I love them. Oh, that's why they sounded like jingle bells, because they jingle. Oh, that is so just beautiful. Thank you so much, Nicole. And you are so thoughtful, and I love seeing Sharmy here. So thoughtful, just with everything, and especially with this capybara. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to put this on my page for today, for my journaling, that I got your sweet, sweet happy mail. Oh my gosh, how fun. Are those not, they're just the cutest little things. They're just so cute. Oh my gosh, don't you just want to cuddle up with that? Oh, and it's a rodent, no less. Yes, so beautiful. Okay. Oh my gosh, I will treasure these. Thank you so much for your thoughtfulness. Just so, a happy mail that is just so flipping personal. Like, good grief. Thank you so much, sweetie. I really appreciate it. I really, really do. And I have a pile set aside for you. I do. I really do. So I'm still collecting for you. Look, I'm so excited. Like I can't even, okay? Flare it up. So let me know in the comments, Nicole, do you like do this, you know, like as a business? Like, can people buy these from you, these flared up buttons? Because they're adorable. So yes, I'll put all the information below. Thank you again so much, sweetie. What a wonderful gift to come home to after a long day at work. So yes, again, thank you so much. I hope y'all enjoy this. Again, if you like what you see on here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can get notified every time a new video comes out. Thank you so much again, Nicole. Mwah. Kisses and hugs to you and to all of you, and I will talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.